Hey guys, this is Technogeek Harshal and today I'm going to unbox Xiaomi's 4K Plus action camera. So the main feature of this camera is it runs on 60 FPS. But the bad news is this camera costs for around 25,000 rupees, but you don't get any waterproof case with it. So let's get started. So this is the action camera and now I am going to open this. So before opening, I'll tell you the specifications. So it runs on 4K 60 FPS. It has chipset of AMBA H2 SoC. Also USB Type-C. It has electronic image stabilization and captures raw images. So let's open. So this is the camera. Let's see what else we get. So with the camera, we get user manual and some, what is this, stickers and some other product images. And here and this is the external mic cable, and this is obviously the charging cable. Which is Type-C obviously. So let's get back to the camera. So as you can see on the front side, it is coated with carbon fiber. The build quality is very good, and here is the battery. I think. The battery says the capacity is 1200 mAh. I think which hardly lasts for 1.5 hours. And here inside you can see a small slot for micro SD memory card. So we will insert the memory card.
Fresh Boys on the track.
Now let's start.
Fresh Boys on the track.
Now let's complete the setup. It shows the supported memory card. Download the app. Okay. Language English. India.
Fresh Boys on the track.
So this is Xiaomi's YI 4K Plus. It has blue indicator which shows the camera is on. This is the speaker. This is the power on off button, and the best thing, the whole camera is touch screen. See the settings. So what else we get? Okay, the modes are photo mode, timer, burst mode, video, time-lapse video, slow motion, time-lapse photo, loop, video plus photo, and also the main feature, we can also go live in this camera. So in the next video I'll show you how to go live and stream it, and if you slide down you'll get some shortcuts of Wi-Fi, voice recognition, lock, remote and power on off button. And now we are going to connect this camera to the phone. Let's see. So settings, Wi-Fi, turn it on. I have downloaded this app. Select your action camera. So I have 4K plus. Searching for camera. It's here. Okay. So the password is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. You can search the password on the user manual. Yes. And now it's connected successfully. So let's see. As you can see, our setup. And I am standing in my classroom with my friend Vikas Keti. Hi. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Please give a thumbs up and please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much guys. Bye bye.